So I'm going to teach you today how to roll spring rolls. So this is the rice paper that I use. It's 8.5 inch in diameter. This is actually my favorite brand, the Free Ladies brand. So this is what you want to get if you can. So what I do is I actually heat up the water that I'm going to dip the rice paper in, so it softens it up. And I'm going to dip it like this, so it's fully dipped, and then I'm going to lay it on my plate. So we have shrimp. We also have mint. You can use Thai basil, cilantro, vermicelli noodles, lettuce, cucumbers, and I like to add avocado. It's just my version. So I wait for this to soften up. And I'm gonna lay the shrimps. So I like to use free, you boil the shrimp, you divine it, clean it up, and then you cut it in half. And I'm gonna lay the shrimp along the wrap this way, leaving about 1 inch on each side. Then I'm gonna put the mint. And some noodles. So I want it to be, along the wrap. So it's a nice and round shape. I'm gonna add a little bit of lettuce. 2 slivers of cucumbers and avocado. I call this a portable salad. And then I close off each other side. And then I use my thumb to help me close it. And then I try to roll it as tightly as possible. And then I roll it. And voila! So that's how you make a spring roll. And then for the dipping sauce, it's a combination of hoisin sauce and peanut butter. So you can use, I like the crunchy peanut butter because I like to have little chunks of peanuts, roasted peanuts. And you basically mix it to your liking and then add water to thin it up. And that's how you make spring rolls. Thank you for watching.